Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this maintenance task. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, and isopropyl alcohol. Make sure to have these items ready before you start. First, ensure your PS5 is turned off and unplugged from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Once it's powered down, place the console on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the PS5. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Remember to place them in a small container to avoid losing them. As you unscrew, keep in mind that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation if you prefer not to handle this yourself. After removing the screws, gently lift the bottom panel to access the internal components. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any parts. Once you have the panel off, you'll notice the cooling fan and heatsink. This is where dust accumulation can lead to overheating issues. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust from the fan and heatsink area. Hold the can upright and use short bursts to avoid moisture buildup. If you find heavy dust, you might need to use a microfiber cloth with a bit of isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the surfaces gently. This will help in removing stubborn grime. Remember, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Once the cleaning is complete, it's time to reassemble the console. Carefully place the bottom panel back on and secure it with the screws. Make sure it fits snugly to prevent any airflow issues. This step is vital for ensuring that your PS5 remains cool during gameplay. After reassembly, plug the console back into the power source and turn it on. Listen for any unusual noises. If you notice anything off, it may be time for a professional checkup. Keep in mind that we can provide a quote before repair so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, it's a good idea to perform this maintenance every few months to keep your PS5 in top shape. Regular upkeep can enhance its performance and longevity, preventing overheating and other issues. If you encounter any difficulties or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember that we offer no calls, no travel service for your ease. Just schedule a pickup and we'll handle the rest. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.